Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on your Lexus HS250. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off, but the ignition is turned to the on position. This ensures the system is ready to receive your input. You'll also want to locate the trip meter reset button, usually found near your odometer display. No special tools are needed for this simple procedure, so let's get started right away. Now let's get to the display. With the ignition still in the on position, press the ODO/trip button repeatedly until your display shows trip A. This is a crucial step to access the correct menu. Once trip O is visible, turn the ignition completely off. Then, immediately press and hold the ODO/trip button down firmly. Keep holding it. This action prepares the system for the reset. With the ODO/trip button still pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. Continue to hold that button down for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the display showing a series of dashes, indicating the reset process is underway. After a few moments, these dashes will change to all zeros, confirming the maintenance data has been successfully cleared. Once you see the zeros on your display, you can release the ODO/trip button. The reset is now complete. To verify everything worked correctly, go ahead and start your vehicle's engine. The oil maintenance light should now be off, indicating that the system has been successfully reset. You've just completed the process, and your Lexus is ready for many more miles of smooth driving. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.